So I'd like to shoot a quick update video of my trailer repair project. I'm almost done pulling all the siding off. This side, as you can see, is complete. I'm down to the last handful of pieces on the other side. Now it becomes more apparent where damaged sections of the trailer are. The one up top there, I knew about. That's the main reason why I'm pulling this trailer apart. And then there are a few other pieces that need replacement. As I said in a previous video, this lower corner. Actually, I pulled the rear wall off the trailer, and you can see that there is a damaged portion of the floor that needs to be replaced. Same in this corner and around here. One issue I encountered, and I believe this is a problem caused by the inherent design of this trailer, namely where the door is. The door is in the back section of the trailer behind the axle, and as you can see, if I just focus down on the floor here, the floor is essentially built of 2-inch material with a 5/8 inch plywood on top. So the problem is that the frame in behind here is flexing up and down as the trailer moves on the road. Now this allows the floor to swing up and down just a little bit. Now with the door essentially being a big open hole in the framing, this whole back section of the wall is swinging up and down with the floor. There is not enough support underneath it. So, long story short, what is happening is I'm getting stress fractures in the siding up top. Right here, this is supposed to be a continuous piece of siding, but as you can see, there is a stress fracture coming from the corner of the door on both sides of the door. And that is because the back section of the trailer is moving up and down, and the aluminum does not flex with that, and then you get these stress fractures. This is a long continuous piece of siding going all the way up to the front, or actually the bedroom window. So I don't really know how I'm going to fix that. As I say, it's the problem originates at the very bottom of the trailer, and I don't really know how I'm going to address that. Probably one way of addressing it would be to replace the top section of the framework here with one continuous laminated plywood member, cantilevered into the front of the wall there, towards the front, and then suspended from it the whole back section of this, the whole back end of this wall. Since the floor does not give enough support at the bottom, we might have to take it from the top. But I don't know how well that's going to work or how long it's going to last. Maybe I'm just going to put a short piece of siding over top of here, and then essentially make the siding here not continuous. and then hopefully that will allow it to move enough that I can keep these stress fractures under control somehow. Again, it's an issue with the way this trailer is set up. I've seen on many newer trailers that the door is actually in front of the axle, kind of in the middle of the trailer, and that is definitely probably a better location for it. It is definitely something to consider when you're buying a used trailer. And it's a question to ask as to how these things are constructed to reduce the amount of movement and then associate it with that stress fractures in the siding. I'm going to stop this video now. I'll work on the last few pieces of siding here, and then then I'm into fixing things up. Actually, this side of the trailer, the wall, has very few issues. It's just the main beam up front that supports the bedroom. I posted that problem or explained that problem in my first video. And then there is the rot issue in the rear back corner. So I'll keep working, and I'll post updates as I get them done. Okay.